Presspull command in AutoCAD 3D. It is very useful command in AutoCAD 3D. You can convert any 2D objects to 3D objects very easily, same like extrude. But this one, it is more advanced one. In extrude command, if it is closed object only, you can convert to 3D. But here in Presspull, you can convert any type of objects. It will detect island also. I just go to the Presspull tool. You will get it Presspull inside this home tab, or go to the solid. Here also you will find Presspull. It is very useful tool in AutoCAD. I just go to the Presspull and select this geometry, or just make this island. You can select the geometry, or you can select the island. I just click this inside, and now you can see the Presspull is created. Now I go to the realistic view. You can see the 3D view. See here, this is normal single line. You can make this also to 3D objects. Go to the Presspull and go to this area. See here, this island detected, or this one, or this one, or you can select multiple area also. I just select this first area, and you can select this multiple, and you can select this area also. Enter, and you can make Presspull. You can give the value of height, or you can simply click like this. And here we have the small two objects. I'm going to make this one loft. Select this one and select this one. Double enter. Now it is lofted like this. This object, if you use Presspull, I just click here, and if I made Presspull, it will come exactly the Z direction. Exactly vertically you will get it. You can see now. But if you need, when you make the Presspull, that time exactly the same direction if you need, select this one and press Ctrl and select like this. Now you will get it in the same direction. I'm just going to make a sketch. I just made a sketch like this. If you need to make this area only Presspull, just go to this Presspull and I click this portion only, and you can make Presspull like this. Any objects, if you have any objects, I just make a line, and I just make a line here. And this portion only you need to make Presspull. Just go to the Presspull and you can make Presspull like this, or go to the Presspull, press Ctrl, and you can make Presspull full. Like that, any object you can draw in 3D model, and that portion only you can make Presspull, or you can make Presspull any geometry with the closed geometry or closed geometry. Any geometry you can convert to 3D objects using Presspull. That is very useful command in AutoCAD 3D.